guys, I ate the whole menu and I hop. And,
Master, I think I ate all my worms.
I'm sorry. Don't pay attention to the background sounds. Nature's Own Bread. I can't eat at IHOP anymore because they kicked me out for legal reasons.
Can't you leave the cage?
No.
But it's dark in here. It scares me.
It's okay.
But I see a naked homeless man. He's dancing in front of me.
That's our secret. Okay. Nature's Own Butter Bread. My favorite bread in the world.
I don't like the bread.
What's that?
I love the bread. The bread's
Yes.
amazing.
That's what I thought. Don't make me use this again.
Yes, Master. I understand. I'll never respect you.
Alright guys, let's get back to the food review. It's Nature's Own Bread. 1 second guys. Just get it. You're not supposed to touch the food. You're not supposed to be feed. Feed. It's not allowed.
I'm hungry.
No. Ugh.
All I want to do is just be like a normal kid. I don't go to school. I don't have a toothbrush.
And you never will.
Why? Why, Master? I think your content sucks.
What's that?
I think your content's amazing.
Oh. More like it. I can solve a Rubik's Cube kind of fast, and 3, 2, 1, and then I solved it, guys. Didn't I solve it? Didn't I solve it? Didn't I solve it really fast?
No.
What was that?
Yes.
Yes, I solved it. Alright. Nature's Own Food Review.
Your breath
so,
is
so,
it smells like mint.
Yeah. Nature's Own Bread. It's kind of good. You just open it up. No food for you.
I'm lying. I haven't eaten 5 days, Dad.
Nope. You don't get food. We talked about this.
But no.
No! It's not allowed here.
Dad, there's a naked guy in my room.
It's alright.
He's grabbing my eyes.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Let me out of the cage. I don't want to be here anymore.
That's alright.
I want to be a normal boy, Dad. I don't want to be here.
Alright, guys. So, Nature's Own Bread. Let's take a taste.
You're fat and ugly.
That tastes pretty good.
Hey, get over here.
I like the weedy insides. They're really good. 7 out of 10. What do you eat again?